Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a donut box. First, gather your materials. You'll need sturdy cardboard, a ruler, and a craft knife for precise cuts. Don't forget a strong adhesive like hot glue or double-sided tape. Make sure your cardboard is food-safe if the donuts will touch it directly. This ensures your homemade box is perfect for delicious treats. Now, let's get to measuring and cutting. Decide on your desired box dimensions, perhaps a 6-inch by 6-inch base. Use your ruler and pencil to mark out the base and side flaps on your cardboard. Precision is key here, so take your time. Once marked, carefully cut along those lines with your craft knife, always cutting away from yourself for safety. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY projects. Quick recommendation: after making these donut boxes, you'll want a clean kitchen. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It has voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With your pieces cut, it's time to fold and assemble. Gently score your fold lines using the back of your craft knife or a scoring tool. This helps create crisp, clean folds. Now, fold all the marked lines to form the box shape. Apply your chosen adhesive to the tabs, then carefully press the sides together, holding them until secure. You're almost there. Next, let's add a lid and some finishing touches. Measure and cut a lid piece that's just a little larger than your box base, perhaps 1/8 of an inch bigger on each side. This ensures a good fit. You can add a clear window or a custom label for a personal touch. Make sure the lid closes securely, but is still easy for your customers or friends to open.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.